Hello friends, this is Sai Phaindra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice-oriented lectures, right from the scratch, right from the basics. This is to inform you that we are starting a new batch from July 12th, morning 8 a.m. India time. And we have another batch starting from July 18th, 8 p.m. evening India time, assuring you complete practice-oriented lectures, right from the scratch, right from the beginning with chapter-wise FAQs. We'll start with the basics. Slowly proceed for installations. Understand the SQL basic activities. We'll hit a half century first. I mean to say 50 plus examples on SQL basics in third and fourth chapters together. 50 plus examples. Then slowly step into transact SQL concept like schemas, temp tables, constraints, relational database concepts, normal forms, constraints, indexes, relationship, dependencies, joins, and we have something called join types, join options for query optimization, query tuning, basic level to mid-level activities. We'll understand various database objects including procedures, functions, triggers, and from there we go for something else called merge, upset, transactions, triggers, and group by concepts with datetime functions and string functions, which are required. The yellow box to start with, which is required. All those concepts are required for programmers, BI professionals, Microsoft Business Intelligence, MSBI, or even Power BI or Tableau, Snowflake, etc. Even for Azure data engineers. Yes, we'll start with box 1 first. Understand the items slowly, step by step, in a clear-cut way, with concept-wise FAQs, precise learning, and easy understanding. From box 1, you will decide whether to go for box 2, programming, or BI, or engineer, data engineer. If someone asks us, yes, sometimes we usually get these kind of questions. Starters, which one is preferred? Yes, my preference, our preference, 1,6 to start with. Compared to a SQL programmer, 100% coding, beautiful coding, box 2, 3, 4. Compared to box 5, a traditional BI tool which is really still doing good in the market. Compared to 2, 3, 4, and 5, we prefer 6. A cloud-based reporting environment, Visual Studio or visualization activities. Not Visual Studio, say visualization activities. Say Visualization Studio. A good list of visualizations, reporting activities. And from Power BI, as you gain experience, you can opt for the data engineer. Out of all these boxes, 6 and 7 are doing very good in the market right now. Good number of openings in LinkedIn and other international job sites. With our FAQs, concept-wise FAQs, and project implementations, FAQs exclusively for the project work. If your interviewer asks you like what you did in the project or what are the challenges you faced in the project or what is your current job role, what is your previous job role, what kind of requirements you get from your clients, these kind of technical and project related role based questions should be answered carefully. Yes, Microsoft SQL or TSQL basics are required. Either we step into Power BI, a good list of tools and hosting environments. They need Microsoft SQL Server TSQL basics. There is a dependency. Same way Azure Data Engineer. If in case you are planning for cloud computing, if you are planning for any kind of ETL environments, then in such a case, this yellow box would be a good start always. And from this yellow box, we can happily proceed for the actual Azure Data Engineering and eventually get into Power BI. I mean to say, you can plan your beautiful resume. I'll guide you. I would be the trainer. I am the only trainer at SQL school. I will be the only trainer at SQL school. It's my own thing. So my duty, my responsibility to ensure a proper learning curve to beautify our resume and to make us happy at our job desk with hashtag happy weekends. Okay, I mean it. Yes, we'll start with box number 1 and from there we'll proceed for either 6 and or 7 preference. If you are looking for cloud, box 1 concepts are enough to step into cloud, Azure or Power BI or both clouds. If in case you are specifically looking for programming, yes, we have 2000 plus lines of project work in box 2 alone, and you'll enjoy 3 and 4 as well, full of coding. Once again, assuring you complete practice oriented lectures. These are the contents we do at box 1, the prerequisites for Power BI Cloud, Azure Cloud, and even for SQL programming. Right from database basics will start to installations, configure our lab, setting up our lab for easy practice, understanding user interface activities, slowly stepping into SQL activities, understanding good amount of keywords in an easier, simple, neat, straight way to love the subject in a simple manner. We'll understand about joins, basics of procedures, triggers and functions, something called permanent tables, temporary tables, magic tables, good number of table concepts we need to learn required for us for our next step. That is box 6 and or 7 or 2 or even 5, whatever box you are looking for. See you there in our live demo session. You can log into our website sqlschool.com and down you see the register page. Click on register and you may register for the upcoming July 11th 8 AM schedule or July 19th 8 PM schedule or any other schedule of your choice. See you there in our actual class. Thank you so much. Meet you soon. My commitment, my promise, my assurance, my guarantee, you'll enjoy the subject. You love learning it. That makes us happy at the next level. Thank you so much. Meet you soon. Thank you once again.